Okay, we're in the beautiful Fairfield Inn Marriott. It's taking good care of us again.
I'm just looking at the Colorado Springs business, restaurants, and services. So
great.
You can know what we're gonna do.
Lots of options here, and everything fits perfectly in the TV. Bryce is happy.
Tomorrow, I think.
Chris is happy. Everybody's happy. And here's the beautiful view. Come on! There it is. That's nice to see the mountains in the background. Because we haven't seen any mountains on this trip yet. Yeah, there we go. Nice train just went by over there. Happy Father's Day.
Oh my God, what's that?
It's Bigger Jaws.
Oh my God, now we have a common enemy. We have to work together.
I already got a sequel in mind. It's called Way Bigger Jaws.
Hey, I just found out it's November. What the happened?
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
Okay, here we go. Taking a walk.
Now, you just wait for me here, and I'll be out in just a minute, okay?
You got it? It's funny stuff, isn't it, Bryce? This is the life. Yeah, why you... It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The mountains are here today. They're not always out, but they're out today. But we're looking for a little breakfast for Bryce. A gas station? You're not taking me to a gas station? Well, we'll just see if there's anything in here. Today's the great river rafting day. He said it shouldn't be too rough because it hasn't rained too much, but from what we remember, it's been raining for the last 2 weeks. This is our friendliest gas station attendant we've had this whole trip.
Is it really?
Congratulations, Alicia.
Thank you.
We're from Chicago.
Oh, that would be why.
That's a lot of fun snacks. Yeah, that'd be why, huh?
Nothing that you don't what you do for me.
There you go. Keith Green. All right, and we're on our way to the river rafting. Okay, we're at Wendy's, we're at Taco Bell, and we're at Sonic. You got it? And look who's here. Cindy, Cassidy, Jake, and Kevin. Cool. It's my new favorite restaurant. Yeah, well, you could use a credit card right there so that way it's free. Everything's free. I love credit cards. There's one on both sides. It's cool. I can use a credit card right there. Okay, I'm just gonna get a burger. Yeah, it's like buy one shake, get one free. So this is incredible. Totally amazing restaurant. First time here.
Yes.
Table for 6, please. Hey, good looking. Wow, these burgers look amazing over here. I'm trying the Sonic for the first time.
Wendy's before, huh?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have the Sonic today, even though Wendy's is wonderful. There's a picture of Marissa. She looks so nice. This is the life. Sonic! America's driving! How's that extra shake, Bryce? Anybody want an extra shake? I don't know.
That wasn't for
just
you?
got an extra shake. You can have one. We just got it for free. There you go. Let's check out all the different shapes, kids. This is cool, isn't it? It's the latest thing.
Don't cut the film.
They should have these for adults too. All right.
Look at kids. How to train them.
They're for all the cool people.
These are all the ones I don't like.
Okay, these are the ones you don't like, or you want
to trade.
These are your favorite?
These are the ones that we just want to trade. What?
Is that a hippo?
No, it's
Oh, I should eat something while I'm here. All right, here we go. They always come with tater tots, I think. It looks good. It's nice that you put it all to go. It's nice that these balance standing up. Oh, right. And there's some onion rings too. Hey, this is my first time eating a Sonic anything. You want to try Sonic? Come on! Come on! What do you think, Bryce? Nothing on it? Perfect. And here's my first Sonic experience. There's an onion ring in the middle of my Sonic burger. That's wild. Let us note that it is once again a beautiful day, right? And we're not spoiled. We appreciate every beautiful day we get. Everybody's on roller skates here. Cool. I'm plugged in. Oh, can you turn me on, please?
That's kind of weird to say to your daughter.
Marissa. The plug for the camera. This camera. I take a picture of the camera. I'm talking about this camera right here. Okay, now plug me in, please.
It is me.
He's got the whole world in his hands.
He's got you and me, babe.
In his hands, he's got you and me, baby. In his hands, he's got you and me, baby. In his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands.
That's the old town, Royal Gorge, Buckskin Joe, Frontier Town.
Thank you.
So we were talking about.
You're a
maybe going
wonderful narrator.
after we
A
go
tour
rafting.
guide.
Yeah.
Scary.
It's so easy. We don't even have to carry our own rafts.
Funny.
We are here at Echo Canyon. That's amazing how close we were. It took seconds. I hardly got to finish my whole world in his hand song.
It's cute. Look at the little kind of Echo Canyon River Expedition, the old kind of Western style thing.
I love it. Okay, normally I say, come on, but we really can't bring the camera because we don't want it to get wrecked, you know. So here's everybody before the rafting trip.
Any last words?
Cindy doesn't look scared at all. I'm very proud of her. Yeah, she's
There's
calm.
the buses we're gonna
There's
take.
Jake.
Goofy looking buses.
We need to take buses. Should I bring the camera? What do you viewers at home think?
Comes one now.
It's the Partridge Family.
Yeah.
Hello world, there's a song that we're singing. Come on, get happy. And this is how we're getting there. Or a bus, one or the other.
Hey, you guys are looking spiffy. Look at that.
Yeah.
Your new super suit.
A large.
Hey, Ma. I miss. Look at you, Marissa. You look awesome. Oh no. Yeah. Oh well. You look cool.
Okay.
What do you think? Are you nervous, Jake? Are you excited? No, I think Mom's a little nervous
I'm gonna
still,
go lock
but
it up.
it's all right. What do you think, Cass? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. Look at Bryce. Woo! Bryce is ready. This is the bus we're going to be going on. Those are the rafts. This is going to be a blast. All right, we're getting fitted for our life vests.
Okay, we're as fast as we can. We're stripping out of our clothes. Woo!
Right here.
And that's an actual fire that we are evacuating the area. No time for even gratuity here. It's the evacuation. There's a fire over there. There's a fire over there. Here comes beautiful. It's pretty serious.
You didn't even turn it.
I think that looks serious.
That's smoke. Yeah, but it's not gonna be funny. We're past it.
The other way, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, as soon as you move this, I'll get in.
Did you videotape?
Get out. Yeah, we gotta get in. Everything I could. Everything I could.
Did you videotape the fire?
Yeah. It's still videotaping, my friend.
Oh, really?
Ready? Everybody in?
Everybody
Marissa,
in.
buckle. Everybody buckle.
Evacuation!
We're really evacuating! Oh my God, fish!
Ready for take. Oh. Ready for takeoff.
Farted.
We experienced everything in this trip. Snow, fire,
Echo Canyon. Echo, echo, echo. Fire, fire, fire.
everything was experienced.
Even if birding.
Yeah, it was a big deal even for the guides. They're like, I've never seen it like that before.
They're like, yeah, this happens every day. Then about an hour later, they're like, okay, now let's get a little crazy.
Yeah, the sun is amazing.
Right?
Looking.
See this?
There's an airplane going by.
Brett, do you want to pop?
Sure.
Diet Pepsi or Diet Sea? No, it's just sea or mist or water. Brett, what kind of drink do you want? Tell me. I
Give
could
it
go
away.
on.
I don't want anything right now.
Well, that evacuate everybody.
Yeah, that policeman's job is to change the fire hazard sign to high, but unfortunately they're all burning right now. Still running from
You
the
guys
fire.
looking in the rearview mirror to see the heavy smoke
Yeah.
still?
Well, there we go. I think we're out of danger at the moment, at least from the fire.
Not a rain cloud.
This is Colleen's pretty cloud. She made me take a video.
No, I didn't. I just don't want to see rain clouds anymore. I'm just pointing out a pretty cloud
Yeah,
floating through the sky.
got a picture of it.
You know,
And now,
as opposed to the pretty cloud, we see this beautiful smoke cloud that we had to flee from.
we escaped from that fire.
So we can't go to Royal Gorge tonight
Okay.
or Pikes Peak.
How about some old Chicago
Maybe
pizza?
tomorrow.
Pizza. Pizza in Seven Falls, hopefully. Marissa wants to know if the fire could reach the hotel.
Good, but hopefully.
These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. To go boldly where no man goes before, we travel by cloud. Everywhere is pouring rain but here.
Luckily, because the water wasn't that hot.
There's the Great Wall of China. Everybody look to your left to see one of the giant tropical insects. And here we are in Colorado Springs again. You can see the buildings. Great time. It's on the way.
See the pretty mountain range over here still?
Mm-hmm. Colleen wanted to see this in black and white. There it is. That's black and white. Did you enjoy
Black
it?
and white. Anyway,
That's you in black and white.
it already looks black and white.
Very good.
Funny.
Even Marissa liked my new shirt. Look at this. She got it for me for Father's Day. Can you see it from there? Is it 52 inches large yet? Anyway, let's see this side. Look at that. Isn't it cool? That's just the back. Alright, I'm glad you liked it. No, this is the front. Oh, you got the sun. You got some dolphins above the water. Some mountains in the background. Mountains are huge. I can just turn it this way, I guess. And some little pretty fishes on the bottom. Little crab there. Thanks for enjoying this souvenir shirt. Alright, see you later. Going out for pizza. Gotta ask yourself, do you like the pizza? Alright. We're now heading to Old Chicago with a view. Look at this beautiful view. Mountains that aren't on fire. They look like the sun's going to catch them on fire any second. Old Chicago. We're able to walk right here. This is awesome. Upper deck. Too cool. People rave about this place. Nobody's even talking about the Outback Steakhouse, which might sound good tomorrow, but today pizza sounds good. All right, we're in. Hi, is this Chicago?
Old Chicago.
Oh, this is nice. We might have our name down for I forgot how much I loved Chicago. You been here before, Cassidy? You know where to go? Oh, look, they're waiting for us. Wow. Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming. Look, there's Rush Street right there. That's cool. That's Rush Street. That might be the Brookfield Zoo. There's regular field. There's the Lincoln Park Zoo. All sorts of fun Chicago-like things here. There's the Sears Tower. And the John Hancock Building. And some more wonderful guests. Wow, that's some appetizer. Oh, does that look good? Oh my gosh. That's their famous house salad. Looks as good as Chicago.
I'm guessing maybe they're 12 inch.
Are you getting hungry yet? Delicious. There's a hamburger. And dessert.
I didn't get the colander.
That looks fun.
The colander is right there. Then we have our bags.
It's called a flight.
Castle and 90 shilling at the end.
90 what?
90 shilling?
So it's not what's in the thing.
No, we had to modify it a little bit. Sorry about that.
It doesn't look exactly like the picture, but
You just got to put one drink forward, that's all.
Fred said you just have to put one drink forward.
This is the colander is first.
That's the Hefeweizen?
Yeah. I haven't had this much fun since I was in the dentist chair. How are those samples? Which one's your favorite?
Number one.
Number
The
one?
Hefeweizen.
Okay, good. I'm going to get the number one. I just want a big number one then. Forget
Not
the other
bad.
ones.
Okay, so
We
who
took
wants
a-
to do the cheese?
We took a trip all the way to Chicago to have Chicago pizza.
Yeah, what's that?
I will say, they
I don't know, we're fine.
looks delicious.
We must be good.
And your first clue that it isn't Chicago pizza is it didn't take 45 minutes. It took about 15 minutes.
A mess over there.
What happened to Jake?
Thank you.
All right, we're there at the claw machine. The claw. Thank you. Yeah, I don't have any with me.
No.
Well, those are huge.
But if it doesn't work,
It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Which one are you going for? This one?
that one's working.
Jake, which?
No.
Yeah, but
Oh, paper money?
the one over there.
What happened, Bryce?
Yeah, Bryce just said that he had a 7-second fart.
Is that true? What Brissa just said?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Wait.
Okay, we're now going. Look at those clouds. They look like mountains. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ow!
And a star.
You guys are
The kids are going to the car to get some quarters. You only get 4 each.
Actually, I'm
Heck no, you gave me like 7 for saying whatever I said on camera.
Who are these people dressed in green?
I don't know.
There's the moon. How much money did you just take from me?
a lot.
I got $1.
$5.
5? That's not that bad. You could go buy your own stuffed animal for this much. Okay, we're heading back to Old Chicago to win a prize. She got about $10 worth of quarters from me, and she's playing that game.
Thing was, and it's
Oh my goodness, she's about to win. The movie's almost running out. Hurry. Oh, like I am so sure.
What were you aiming for?
Really?
Got the purple one.
Really,
Try the
Marissa?
purple
Are you
one.
trying to waste my money on purpose? What are you doing with
You
that?
gave Bryce more money than me. That's
No, he stole more than I got.
So,
Oh, like pink was that?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, get it. Yes!
Oh!
That's exciting.